In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm earning money with Videly Pro in 2020 and how these passive income streams are likely going to be lasting me for years to come. So it doesn't really matter how tech savvy you are or how experienced you are when it comes to setting things up online. Really, you only need to understand some of the basics when it comes to video SEO. And the reason why you don't need any true experience with this is because video SEO is something that's booming. It's on the rise at the moment. It's not saturated, despite what people are saying. I'm living proof of that. It's something that if you just do correctly and you put a little bit of time into, you can very quickly start building up a passive income stream, which isn't going to make you a millionaire or anything like that. If that's what you think, please leave this video now, but it's going to take some stress off your shoulders and give you a stream of income that really isn't going to take up much of your time at all. And it's going to be enough to either go on a holiday or buy a new car or just build up your savings. Whatever you want, it's really going to be able to help you get that as long as you do it properly and you spend some time. And at some point in this video, I'm going to display a special URL that's going to give you access to my overnight local business ranking course, which is going to show you A to Z on how you can apply this method and the true ideologies behind it all. So with that being said, let's jump into the video. Okay, so the software I'm going to be talking about in this video is called Videly. And for those of you who don't know what Videly is a cloud-based software which allows you to enter your main keywords and it will generate hundreds of untapped buyer intent, low competition keywords that's going to enable you to get laser focus and start generating sales online. Now, this is my Videly review site, and what I want to show you is my Videly bonuses. So if you come over to grabvidly.com, click on Videly bonuses and scroll down, this is the method that I'm going to be introducing to you. If you really want to use this, when you purchase Videly, you're going to get this course for free, which is my small payments and big profits course. It will show you from A to Z on how to apply this method. But first, who am I and why should you even listen to me? Well, my name's Marty Englander, and for the past few years, I have been epically failing at affiliate marketing and building up traffic sources online until I discovered video SEO, which was about a year and a bit ago. Since I've properly started focusing in on video SEO, I've been able to generate passive incomes like this. So this is ClickBank, and no, I've not earned anything today from ClickBank, but the day is only like 9 a.m. so I will. But as you can see, these are sales that I make every single day, and really these are from stuff that I post and then I forget about and it starts bringing in sales. The whole process is automated. I don't need to deal with clients or service providers. I don't even need to fulfill the service. I just specific sort of videos and it generates me sales every single day, which is really nice. Next, if we go to another affiliate network, you can see that I have $712 in unpaid earnings, and that's just from the beginning of this month. So this video is being posted on the 16th of November. So already this is just from stuff that I did a while ago and now it's posting. In fact, these videos I posted about this specific product I posted I think a year ago, and it generates me sales every single month. It's very nice in its own right. Next, I also have this platform here, again the exact same specific topic, and as you can see, $30 in commission, $117 in commission. These are pending, but the people using the software and will likely upgrade soon. $117, $117, that one's been terminated, but I'm still being paid out on it. So nice little payments here, and I have more platforms that give me these sort of earnings. I also do microtransactions, which you think, oh well, what's £2? It's nothing. You can see every month, is it generating £50, etc. And this is just on one micro video channel that's generating me this sort of income. If we actually jump over to my emails really quick, because I only incorporated this software not so long ago, I'm gonna have to blur out some information as this is real life data, but what you can see is that these are from all my micro transactions, and if we keep scrolling down, this is all like £2 little transactions, and it builds up very, very fast. Okay, and I'm just scrolling down and you can see I actually log all of my statistics, because I often think platforms can be easily manipulated, but when you have logs from ages ago within your emails, that's harder to manipulate. And if you scroll down, you can look at the date on the right. Okay, you can see every single month tons of these transactions are being made, and honestly, I've never spoken to these people. I've never done anything. These are from videos that I've uploaded in the past, and yeah, and there's actually more of these transactions, but I only started logging it in 2020. Okay, another thing, let's jump into my other platforms where I'm also earning, like my affiliate sales, for example. And again, you know, you can just see all of these earnings just filling up my email, filling up my commissions, filling up my pockets, and these are all from this sort of method. So as you can see, this isn't some BS method that you find online, and I'm not saying that if you apply this method you're going to become a millionaire, because that is not the case. You need to put in value into the method that I'm going to be talking about in just a second, but I do want to emphasize that this is not a get quick rich scheme. I don't even want to give you that opinion, but in 2020, that's when I started properly applying video SEO, and as you can see from the dates, these are logged in a third-party application that's not so easily manipulated, that I'm actually getting results. So the whole idea of this method, and I'm going to be talking more about the micro transactions, is you find basically a topic which isn't competitive, and you find the angle for it, and then you create the solution and you offer them to download something in your description, and then they would click the link in your description and go to your site, and you would have set up a payment, say you can download this for £2, for £1, for $5, whatever it is you want to charge them, but keep it small because it's easy to make the sale. And they would basically go buy, check out via PayPal or Stripe or whatever payment provider you use, preferably PayPal or Stripe because it's just streamlined. They would buy, they will be auto directed to the completion page, and boom, there you have it. They have their end product and your life is hassle free. I just saw that I've just made a sale. Okay, so you can see these two things, I've just made a sale. Okay, how great is that? As I was making this video, I made a sale. Amazing. So before we jump into Videly, what we want to find out is what is something that's really fast and easy for people to do by themselves, but they need a helping hand, and something that you can quickly pick up and learn, or even do if you already know, and show them a solution and then offer them something to download with. So I'm going to quickly jump over to some freelancing sites like People Per Hour. In front of me you can see People Per Hour, and this is basically a freelancing site where people, businesses, individuals come, they will post what sort of service they want doing, and then all these freelancers will come and bid on these services. You can filter this all categories, so I'm going to go to all categories, and usually something like business, something like Excel sheets or something. So here you can see that there's loads of people looking for quick Excel sheet, and the beauty of looking at it like this is that these are actual people who are willing to spend money. Now all we would need to do is have a look and see something that actually looks appealing to us and something that we think we could use. Okay, so here we are, and this particular task is looking for someone to create an Excel cost calculator. Now this can be probably really easily done just by going onto YouTube and searching for that, but just for the sake of this video, I'm going to take this and I'm going to go over to Videly, go into the keyword tab and paste Excel cost calculator and do research. Okay, so here we are, and what you can see is that now this overall topic or overall keyword, Excel cost calculator, has been broken down into sub niches, sub keywords, and it's basically giving us a whole bunch of information that people on YouTube and Google are searching for. Excel cost calculator template. So all you need to do is quickly search on Google or YouTube on how to create a cost calculator template, which is actually really easy. But let's just say you wanted to create a VAT cost calculator template. Well, let me show you how simple that actually is and then what you would do. So I'm going to quickly open up Excel. Let's say your business and you want to work out how much your services are. Well, ideally you've got the service name. Okay, then you want to know how much the cost is going to be. So what's the service price? So price. Okay, then you want to know, well, VAT. So all you'll do is just say your VAT, how much your VAT is going to be, and then before that, okay, and then total cost. Okay, so now we have our headers. Okay, the next thing that we're going to want to do is say, right, let's say I'm a web designer, so website design. Okay, boom. And then we've got price. So how much do I want to charge for this? Well, I want to charge, let's say £500. So I'd enter 500 there. The VAT is always going to be 20%. So I'm just going to do 20%. Okay, and you can always change that later. And then the total cost, well, that's going to be automatically populated. Okay, first off, let's just do our thing here. So VAT, okay, and VAT is going to equal 20%, just like that. Okay, so that's all we need right there. So here we're just going to do equals B2 times K2. Okay, that's all we need to do. So 20% of 500 is £100. So next, the total cost, well, the formula is super simple. So total cost equals B2 plus C2 is £600. Okay, so now all you would do is drag these two like so, drag them down just like that, and you can do it all the way down the page. Okay, and then let's say we want to charge SEO services. So SEO services, and we want to charge £1,000. Boom, all of a sudden that's just been calculated. And again, let's say Facebook page creation, you want to charge, let's say, £60. There you have it. And then if you want to do a total cost of services, go here, total sum, okay? And all you would do is equals sum, and then D2 to D4, just like that, boom. Okay, and there you have, that's the total sum of all of those. Now, let me ask you something. If you're not tech savvy and you see someone doing all of this, what would you prefer? To do it yourself or hear them say in the video? If you want to download this, click on the link in my description below. And then you basically upload this document to PayPal or Dropbox or wherever you want, link it with PayPal, and they would go to the PayPal checkout page, purchase, and then PayPal will take them to your link in Dropbox. They can download the template and then everyone's happy. As you've seen, you can easily find little topics like that and start building up a YouTube channel, which is literally on the line of how to do this or how to do that. If you wanted to get more advanced, you could put little adverts before the video starts to recommend your business and all of that good stuff. Now, if you do want a step-by-step process on this method, I am giving away the Art of Small Payments Big Profits course that can be found on grabvidly.com. And when you purchase Videly, I'm going to give you instant access to this course because they work really well together. So head over to grabvidly.com, click on any of the buttons found on this website, and you're going to purchase GrabVidly, and then you should automatically receive a link in your emails from me, which will contain the download link for this course. But if you don't, you can contact me at this email here and I will manually send it as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to this channel because I release daily video SEO tips and tricks on how you, the small business owner, the individual, someone who just wants to rank number 1, 2, or 3 slots on Google, and how you can do just that. I'll see you next time.